In this video, we explore the birth of sustainable textile engineering. Welcome to the Greencrest biomanufacturing plant. The process begins with the hydrolysis of corn starch into dextrose. Precision fermentation converts the sugar into lactic acid. These molecules are the building blocks of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Polymerization creates a resin base that is both strong and biodegradable.
The molten PLA is cooled and cut into small pellets. Moisture content is strictly controlled before melting. Thermal management ensures the fluidity required for fiber spinning.
Forced through a spinneret, the cornstarch fiber infant onesie material takes its first fibrous form.
Air drafting aligns the polymer molecules, increasing tensile strength.
These continuous filaments are collected for the stretching phase. Laser micrometers ensure micron-level precision for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie yarn.
Crimping creates bulk, mimicking the softness of natural cotton for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Staple cutting prepares the cornstarch fiber infant onesie material for the spinning process.
The fiber is compressed and transported to the spinning department.
Automated logistics ensure a contamination-free environment. The fiber is opened and cleaned to remove any impurities.
Carding aligns the cornstarch fiber infant onesie fibers into a thin web.
This sliver is the foundation for the yarn used in the cornstarch fiber infant onesie. Grafting reduces the mass, refining the texture for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie. A slight twist is added to strengthen the roving before final spinning.
High-speed ring spinning creates the final yarn for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Yarn is wound onto cones for efficient knitting.
Heat setting prevents the cornstarch fiber infant onesie from distorting later. The yarn is loaded into the circular knitting machines.
Thousands of needles interlock loops to form the fabric of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie. The fabric is knitted in a seamless tube to minimize waste. Automated vision systems scan every inch of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie fabric.
Eco-friendly bleaching ensures the purity of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Natural pigments are used to maintain the compostable nature of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
The stenter frame dries and sets the final width of the fabric.
Mechanical raising gives the cornstarch fiber infant onesie its signature soft fleece. Precision shearing creates a uniform surface for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Compaction controls shrinkage, ensuring the cornstarch fiber infant onesie fits perfectly.
The finished fabric is wrapped and prepared for cutting.
Layers of fabric are spread with precision tension control.
Laser cutting seals the edges, preventing fraying of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Automatic vacuum removal collects scraps for recycling back into the process.
The cut components are sequenced for the assembly of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Overlock stitching joins the shoulders with durable elasticity.
Ultrasonic bonding fuses fibers without thread, increasing softness for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie. Robotic precision ensures snap fasteners are aligned perfectly.
Automated tension testing verifies snap integrity on the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
The ribbed neckband is attached for easy over-the-head dressing.
Flat lock seams lay flat against the skin to prevent irritation.
Care instructions are permanently affixed to the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Automatic trimming removes any loose ends. Human inspectors verify the aesthetic quality of every cornstarch fiber infant onesie. Advanced metal detection ensures safety for the infant.
Strict needle detection protocols are mandatory for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Laser dimensional analysis guarantees size consistency.
Weight consistency confirms the material density of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Final steam ironing removes wrinkles and relaxes the fibers. Controlled cooling sets the fabric smoothness.
Precision folding prepares the cornstarch fiber infant onesie for packaging. Packaging uses the same compostable material as the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
The bag is heat sealed to maintain hygiene. Recycled cardboard boxes are formed for shipping.
Each box is labeled for traceability of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Robotic arms stack the boxes with millimeter precision.
The pallet is secured with compostable stretch film.
Automated guided vehicles transport the pallet to the warehouse.
The high bay warehouse stores stock efficiently.
Routine tensile testing ensures the durability of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Pilling resistance tests verify surface quality.
Color fastness is tested to ensure the cornstarch fiber infant onesie doesn't fade.
Moisture wicking capability is measured for infant comfort.
Testing confirms the 100% compostable nature of the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Finished goods are loaded for global distribution. The cornstarch fiber infant onesie begins its journey to the consumer,
A triumph of sustainable engineering.
Soft, safe, and sustainable. Free from harmful heavy metals.
Available in a full range of infant sizes.
Gentle enough for the most sensitive skin.
durable enough for everyday washing. Maintains shape after repeated cycles.
Dries quickly under natural light.
Nature Loop Textiles. Engineering a greener future. It starts with the soil. Sustainable harvesting practices.
Efficient transport to the processing plant.
Pure raw material is essential for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
Steeping softens the kernel for starch release.
Mechanical grinding releases the starch.
Centrifugation isolates pure starch.
The starch is washed and refined.
Spray drying creates a fine starch powder.
Enzymatic hydrolysis breaks down the chains. Multiple filtration stages ensure purity. Concentration increases the sugar density.
Bacterial fermentation is the heart of the process.
The acid is extracted and purified. Polycondensation creates the polymer chain.
Vacuum drives the reaction forward. The polymer is solidified into strands. Precision cutting creates uniform pellets.
Huge silos store the raw material for the cornstarch fiber infant onesie.
From the field to the nursery, the cycle is complete.
Continuous improvement drives the factory.
All water is treated before release.
Renewable energy powers the facility.
Human touch ensures quality. Eco-friendly inks are used for branding.
Line speed is optimized for efficiency. Automatic splicing prevents downtime. Air filtration maintains a clean environment. Safety systems are tested daily.
Predictive maintenance prevents failures.
Premium packaging for a premium product.
Inventory is tracked in real time.
Last mile logistics preparation.
Wow, it's finally here.
Delivered to the doorstep.
The unboxing experience reveals the quality.
Comfortable for peaceful sleep.
Returning to the earth at the end of its life.
Leaving no trace behind.
Thanks for watching.